Hey, welcome back to the garage. Is everything okay? All right. Welcome back to the garage, guys. This is Badger's Garage. We are doing a "Where the hell have I been?" video. I was putting out videos about every, I don't know, week or something like that, giving you good updates on what I was doing with the MG Badger, and life happened. You know, we had our baby girl back April last year. She just turned 1. She's starting to become a little more independent, giving me another opportunity, or not another opportunity, but an opportunity to come outside and get in the garage and do some work on Badger again. I had done a little tinkering here and there, but nothing like what I was doing, you know, in the first few months of her life, where she just was sleeping all day long. Now she's awake and running around and doing all sorts of stuff. It's crazy, man. So, but anyway, what we're doing right now, we had a couple of issues with Badger. Both of them are serious issues, and this is not just a minor job that I'm doing. I'm actually pulling the engine, I'm pulling the transmission. I've already got, you know, all my fluids and stuff drained, and I'm just prepping to pull. I've got to change the clutch, and we're going to be replacing the head gasket. Now, the head gasket doesn't require me to pull the engine, but if I got to replace the clutch, I might as well just do the head gasket when I got the engine out. It's going to be a lot easier. Give me an opportunity to clean the whole thing up, make it look nice and pretty. So, pretty-er. Never going to be pretty. I'm not too worried about how the car looks, so long as it functions proper. But, yeah, so let me just show you the state of the car. I've done a few things, nothing too crazy. But we got, I went ahead and pulled the hood off, which makes it just so much easier to work on the engine. You'll notice, you know, a couple of things are shinier and cleaner, and, you know, I've tweaked this, I replaced the alternator, I've got new air cleaners on there, I got rid of the Cooper cans, which are up on the shelf over there. It's just a pain in the butt to try to adjust the carburetors with those big giant cans on. Now, I know it's sacrilege to some people to take those cans off because, you know, I'm taking away the originality of the car and all that stuff, but, and there's 1,000 upon thousands of MGs out there. This one's mine. I like the Canon filters. They're easy to work around. They're easy to take off. It's just better in my mind. So, but anyway, besides that, you know, I mean, I got Mazda Miata seats in the damn car. I mean, come on. You know, do I really care if I've got the original equipment? No. I put a freaking subwoofer and a high-end stereo on the inside. I mean, it's a lot of fun. And that's what I'm after, is, like, you know, I want it to be a fun car. I want to enjoy myself when I drive this thing. I don't want to. Not that I wouldn't enjoy myself if it was completely original, but I like my stuff, you know? I like a more comfortable seat. I don't want to sit on a wicker patio furniture driving on a road trip for like 4 hours or something. I'd rather be in a much more comfortable leather seat that has some nice reclining and I can scooch back a little. I'm a big guy, you know? I need that space, so. But, and I got a really cool road trip plan for whenever we get this thing back up and running, so. Anyway, this is just a little update video. Let you guys know what's going on. You know, life happens to everybody, and right now, there's some crazy stuff going on in the world. The, you know, COVID-19, coronavirus, it's scary stuff, man. So I've got a little more time at the house here and there, so try to take advantage of it. But anyway, that's it. Be safe out there, and you know, till next time, which is hopefully a lot sooner than the last time when I said till next time, if I said till next time. So, but thanks for watching Badger's Garage, y'all. If you like what you're seeing, please consider hitting that subscribe button and hit the bell for notifications, and I'll see y'all later. Bye. Drop it. Emma. Drop. Drop it. Hey, where are you going? Leave it. Leave it. Good girl. Go. That's a good girl. Come on.